Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing you about the minority status certificate. Certificate is very mandatory for the students who belongs to minority community, because at the time of admission the fee concession will be done for minority students. Apart from that, they will get free seat in minority colleges. To have this certificate, I have uploaded this certificate on my Telegram channel. You can download this PDF from the Telegram channel and write the instruction, write the fill up this form as per my instructions. Okay, as I'm saying, fill up the form total and go to your school where you have done your 10th. Go to that school and take the signature of your headmaster and designation seal of the school. Okay, so let's start. As I'm saying, fill up this form. First, take out the Xerox copy of this. Okay, now you need to write your headmaster name here. I means suppose I'm giving you example, I Srinivas Rao. Okay, Srinivas Rao. So you need to write here Srinivas Rao. Okay, headmaster, he is a headmaster of XYZ school. Okay, I'm just giving example. So XYZ school you need to mention here, and then have verified admission register with the reference to the admission application and certified that. You need to write your name. Suppose I'm writing here my name, Snowy. Okay, Snowy, daughter of, you need to write your father name over here. Suppose ABC is the father. Okay, father name. And after writing your father name, you need to write who studied in the institution with admission number. Admission number will be written on the TC. Okay, so from the 10th TC, see the admission number and write admission number over here. During the year, from if you have studied from nursery, write nursery to you have studied till 10th. If you have studied from 6th standard, so write from 6th to 10th, whatever you be. And belonging to the region, if you belong to Christian, write Christian or Islam, or you can say Buddhism, whatever you belongs to religion, write the religion over here. And then write the date, on which date you are taking out. For example, tomorrow is a tomorrow is a 8 September. Okay, 7 September. So you need to write the 7 9 and 2022. You need to write the date over here, full name of your headmaster here. After writing the full name of the headmaster, take the signature down over here, headmaster signature. Okay, and after that you need to affix your photo over here and take the designation seal on this photo. Okay, you need to take the designation seal on that thing. Okay, so this is how you need to take out this minority certificate, and I have uploaded it on my Telegram channel. Hope this will be very helpful. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon.